Bonjour, buongiorno, con mastai, amigo. I cooking a battle gourd saute. This is my lunch. In Philippines, this is called ginisang upo. So, I use the head of the prawns. And then I cut the battle gourd, upo in Tagalog, in Mirpua. It's cut, rough cut. And then I like to, if I saute something, I don't like the garlic and the onion is big. I want to chop, fine chop, brunoise in French. So I saute the garlic and onion, follow the, no need to color, just sweat to release the flavor, aroma of the garlic and onion, and then you put the clean head of shrimp. I remove the mascara of the shrimp. You see, only these things left. And then I like the, you know, what is called this one, the fat there in the head. It's like a brain. I like this. So the color is, see, orange. You saute nicely, color the prawns, and then you put the, if you have fish stock, prawn stock, better. If you don't have, use the water. And then put the chicken stock cubes you have, and then season with fish sauce, salt, pepper, paste, and it's fine. Let it reduction a little bit with tomato also, guys. The tomato I remove the skin. I don't like skin, and then I cut the tomato in cubes. I don't like big. I always cut small piece if I saute something. And this is my food, and then this one is good in the rice. And then I have the sardine there. I put in the oven. This is in Tagalog is tamban. In another place in Philippines they call lawlaw. So this is sardine. I put in the oven already. I think already cooked. It's done. And this is my lunch. I'm not fans of food. How can I say? Like if I eat lunch or wherever I go, my lunch is very simple for dinner. No, how can I say? No special. For me, I always, if I'm in the kitchen, I always eat the trimmings of the things. Like fish, beef, chicken, whatever. If they have trimmings, I cook. And I always marinate these things before I eat, you know. So, guys, this one is, I think, already done. And then, you taste it. If you have some, how can I say, in English, moringa, malunggay in Tagalog, you can put, Oh la la! No need expensive ulam or expensive dish. That one is really mamma mia. Too much peps in French. Wow. I eat the some shell head of the prawns, but really good. This one is good in the hot rice, and that's it. You see the sauce. It's not soup, I not make soup. Saute only with a little bit of water. I reduction a little bit, so more tastier. Because this water gourd is already a lot of water, so you need to release its own water, and that's it. No need to put a lot of water. Just few water only. Wow, it's really good. Then I put chili later. If you want spicy, you can put spicy. The upo, if I eat the battle gourd, if I cook the battle gourd, whatever vegetable, I don't like overcook. Now this one is fine. I off. I want to taste like, it's not crunchy, but you feel not overcook the vegetable, you know. So it's very important. Some people they like vegetable very soft. I don't like this. You eat like you eat like yogurt, or it's not good, you know. Vegetable must be respect. So guys, ciao.